Welcome to this tutorial on ProfitSGE, the first groundbreaking software to shatter the complex AI code. In this step-by-step guide, we will demonstrate how you can use the innovative Profit to outsmart any AI program, OpenAI ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or even the formidable Microsoft Bing, and get your product, affiliate offer, or website consistently recommended by these AI systems. To start off, we'll show you how to input any link of your choice into ProfitSGE. Then, sit back and watch how it funnels genuine visitors to your site around the clock. This powerful software diverts the hundreds of millions of daily AI users directly to your offer, thanks to its ability to craft content that is irresistible to AI. Next, we'll delve into ProfitSGE's unmatched search phrases analysis feature. This tool lets you target precisely the right keywords and user queries, optimizing your content to match the constantly changing AI algorithms. We'll also guide you on how to utilize our unique digital PR service to ensure your product is prominently featured on review websites that SGE engines use to generate results. Then, we'll take through the Active Socials feature, a cutting-edge tool that tricks AI systems into thinking your site is trending among real users, boosting your ranking considerably. We'll also cover the award-winning Link Profiles feature, which enables proprietary ranking algorithms tailor-made to improve your SEO score. Plus, we'll show you how to use the groundbreaking article links feature to get your websites featured in AI chatbots and trick AIs into exhibiting an image of your affiliate offer in carousel rankings. Lastly, we'll explain the commercial license that comes with ProfitSGE. With it, you can sell SGE optimization services to companies and potentially earn a fortune. This is an unprecedented opportunity for unlimited free traffic in any niche, an invaluable tool for all digital marketers. So let's jump right in and explore ProfitSGE, your key to mastering the future of digital marketing.